There. So today I'm going to be unboxing my first Ipsy Glam box. I think that's what it's called. Ipsy Glam. I'm hoping that's what it's called. I received this in the mail today when I got home from work, so I'm excited to sit down and just kind of film it with you to show you what actually comes in the box. This is a $25 a month box subscription. So instead of getting the $10 a month, I opted in to get the $25 a month one just to see what they would offer and see how it compares to the one from Boxy Charm. So this is what the box looks like. It's pretty big. It's actually bigger than the one from Boxy Charm. So I'm expecting a lot out of it. I'm gonna go ahead and open it up and let's see what we get in here. All right, so when you open it up, it looks like this. You get the box and you get one of those little spongy things in there like you get from the Boxy Charm box. You also get a pamphlet, which I'm excited about. And does it have prices? Yes, it has prices, which I'm super happy about because on the regular Ipsy bags, you don't get prices. You just get you don't even get descriptions of what you're getting. So I'm excited that this has prices in it. So let's go ahead and start and see what we get in there. So I decided not to do a try on because this is my first one, so I don't know what's in the box exactly. And I wanted to just kind of sit down and show you what you get. So the first thing I'm pulling out is a bag. It's actually a pretty big sized bag. It smells like faux leather. You can fit a lot of stuff in there, so it's really, really big. So I'm happy to get that. Looks like you have like a little pouch here. Maybe you can fit your phone there, and then a bunch of makeup. So the bag's nice. The first actual item that I'm seeing in here is from Sol de Janeiro, and I haven't had this before. This is the Boom Boom Cream. I believe this is the Boom Boom Cream. Yes, the Boom Boom Cream. So this actually does look like a bigger size container, 2.5 fluid ounces. So I believe this is the actual size that you would buy in the store. Let's see. If you bought this size in the store, you'd be paying $20. So I think they may also have a bigger size than this. But $20 for this cream is not bad. I'm not going to open it up because I already know what it smells like, and there's no need to open up a new one as of now. So if you hear a lot of weirdness, my dogs are all sitting in here because my husband's not here. The next thing I'm seeing in here is a foiled lip from Makeup Geek. This is priced at $12. So let's see what color we got. It's a very dark purple color. Again, I'm not going to open this up because I'm not too sure if I'm going to keep it. It's called Drum Roll. That's actually really, really pretty. This would be a really pretty color for your nails. But yeah, that's a really pretty color. I'm not too sure that I'm going to get too much use out of it, but I haven't tried it out, so I'm not going to complain just yet. But that was the second item in the box. The third item I'm seeing here is a brush set. The brush set is a $45 value. It says makeup here from Seamless Glam. So it looks like you get a precise brush here, a precise crease brush. You get a kind of angled brush and then a flat shader type of brush. Let's see what they say on here. It says eye blending, then a eye angled brush, and then an eyeshadow brush. So you get 3 different brushes here. They're really, really cute. They have a gold ferrule and they have a diamond in them as well, like little pink diamonds in them. So that's really nice to get. Again, those are $45 if you bought those at their store. All right, the next thing I'm seeing in here is from IT Cosmetics. It is the Naturally Pretty Palette. So let's see how much this one costs. That's a $42 value. You get 14 shades. It's a 14 shade palette from the collection of Universal Flattering Matte to Shimmer shades. So it's a matte to shimmer shade. That's interesting. Let me go ahead and open that up and see. I'm not going to swatch because I'm not too sure what I'm going to do with it, but it looks like this. Has a little magnet on there, has a mirror, and then here are the shades. Those are really, really neutral shades. It looks like they're all matte. Matte to shimmer. To me, they look all matte, so I don't know where the shimmer is coming from. Let me know if you have this and if it does have shimmers. It looks like maybe the translucent Transformer shadow is a little bit shimmery, which is the big white one here. But the rest of them look like they're just really, really neutral and very, very like almost washed out colors. So that's a very interesting palette to have gotten. It's, for me, it looks like it is super light. It's going to be one of those that you can probably wear every single day. So that's interesting to get. I've always wanted to try out a palette from IT Cosmetics. So this might be something that a give a shot and see if I don't decide to give it away. But here are the colors here on the other side if you wanted to take a look at that as well. And then the last item I got is Needles No More Baggage Eye Cream. And my dogs are just making so much noise. The Needle No More Baggage Eye Cream from Dr. Brandt. I've actually gotten this before in my Boxy Charm. This is a $42 value as well. I didn't particularly like this when I first got it, but now that I've had it for a while and I've gotten some use out of it, got used to the way it works, I've actually started to like this product. So I'm happy to get another one, because the one that I have now, this one here, I've been using it for a while. There's still a lot of product in there, but I'm sure I'm going to run out at some point. So it's always nice to get another backup of something that you like, especially something that I didn't think I was going to like at first. And then now that I'm using it a little bit more, I found that I liked it a lot more. So that was everything that I got in my bag. Let me add up everything for you real quick so we can see how much this totaled out to be. The total of my box came out to be $161, which is an awesome price. Like I said, some of the products that I got, I'm kind of nervous about, like the lipstick and, you know, the eyeshadows. I'm a little, you know, we'll see how that works. I'm not sure if I'm going to give that away. I do like that Bum Bum cream. I'm excited about the shadow brushes and the under eye cream. So I do feel like this is a really good value. I paid $25 for the month. So I am excited to see what comes in next month's box, to see what it is. Now that I know what I'm going to be kind of getting, I can actually sit down and do a try on type of video for you. That way we can see what we think about the products and if they actually work. Like I said, I'm not too sure what I'm going to do with this palette yet or any of the stuff, so I don't want to actually use them yet. But next month, if you want me to do a try on, just put it down in the comment section. Alright guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this. Let me know if you have any questions about this box, and I shall talk to you guys within the week. Bye!